Hi.
Hi, hello.
Good. Just give me 1 minute. I need to double check some information here first, okay?
Sure, okay.
Okay. Okay, so I gonna share my screen and tell me if you already can see my screen.
Okay, yeah, I see.
Okay, so let me put. Sorry, I have in Spanish because usually my clients are in Spanish.
Oh.
And I need to change it.
Okay.
Okay, my dear. So, for entry. This is employment, and workshop. Okay, I need to check. Put it on the top, right? Yeah, I need to check just the workshops. Okay, my dear. So let me start. I'm gonna start first with health. Basically, I'm gonna send you this website in order to find a family doctor. Okay,
Okay.
this website, basically you are gonna put your location, your preference, if you prefer male or female, your language, and the fine. I'm gonna tell you right now, so to find a family doctor in a first language is a little bit difficult. So try to get your language. Try to find something in your language. If not, changing to English, because
Okay.
if you put English, it's more possibility to find a place,
Yeah,
right?
sure.
As I understand, you live in Southeast, so in Seaton, I know there is some places that they have family doctors that accept patient right now, and also check. No, don't check your area only. Check areas around your home, like
Okay, understand.
Golden, like I don't know, Legacy, some of them. Okay, so basically. This is one thing. The other thing is, I would like that you please read these Alberta healthcare insurance plans. This is the plan that covers the health in Alberta.
Yep.
So basically, it's cover the medical advice, specialists, laboratory tests, any diagnosis tests, any, for example, if you need to go, any family doctor walking is covered. If you need to go to an emergency, is covered. If you need to go to and get in the hospital, is covered. Surgery is covered. What is not covered, basically, is ambulance, medication, dental, and optometrist. Okay. However, when you apply, being that you are like right now you are low income because you don't have any job, right? So when you receive your healthcare, you are gonna receive the letter for Alberta Health. Please fill out this form as soon as you receive it and send it back. You are going to be entitled of the Alberta Health benefit, and it's going to help you to apply to different benefits. And also you are going to be covered for dental, for optometries, for ambulance. So there is a lot, and medication as well. Okay. but you
Yeah.
need to apply for that once you receive your letter, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Also, I put some information about the emergency close to your home, which is the South Hill campus, some links for walk-in clinics, and some others for the reduced dental fee for Ukrainian response. But I'm gonna use this website here in order to explain better what is the different resources for to find the help here. Sorry, 1 second, what is this? This is the website. This is the estimated emergency department website. But I like this website because also have other resources as well. So I'm gonna suggest open this website. I will send you for sure by email and save in your computer. So basically, the family doctor is the first health provider. Then you can have walk-in clinic. Walk-in clinics is you don't need any previous appointment to go there. And if you feel sick and let's say your family doctor is busy, you can go to the walk-in and you can find a doctor there. And if the doctor needs to prescribe you or give you some order for medication, he's gonna do it. But the follow-up is gonna be with your family doctor. Okay.
Yeah.
This is one place. The other place is urgent care or emergency. Urgent care is when you are sick or you have an injury, but your life is not in risk. Basically, we have two different places to find the help. Two different places to find the urgent care. One is in the Sheldon Shermere, which is in downtown, and this one is the South Health campus. Sorry, it's in the South Health Center. This is in no South Health campus. This is in Somerset, in the south. So this is work, for example, the south work from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. And if you go there, you can find help as well for help. And it's free of charge. It's included in your card. Also, you have emergency. Emergency is when you are seriously ill or injured and your life is in risk. Okay? So this is the waiting time. We have 5 major hospitals and that provide emergency. The first one is for children. So every time that your child feels sick, you need to go for children's hospital. You can go also for South Health campus, but children's hospitals is more like a specialist in children. Okay?
Yeah.
But if one of your child feels sick and need to a doctor and is serious, you can go to the South Health campus and they are gonna send them to the Alberta Children's Hospital. So the other hospital is Foothill, which is in the northwest, Peter Lougheed northeast, Rocky View southwest, and South Health Campus southeast. But these two, according with your address, is the most closest to your home. However, if you are, let's say in the north, even if you live in the south, you can go to any hospital. So it's not like you live in the south, you need to go to the south one. No, you can go to any of the hospital, the most closest one. Okay, and this
Okay,
is the
understand.
waiting time. This is the waiting time. Okay.
Yeah.
So also you can find more resources here about walk-in pharmacies, ambulatory cares, urgent care, and family doctor. Healthline is another useful resources. You can contact them, 811, if you feel sick and you don't know where to go, or if you don't know if you really need to go to an emergency. Let's say you have some symptoms, but you don't know yet. You call them and they say, I feel this way, this way, this way. Please help me. I don't know where to go, if I need to go to a hospital. And the good thing about that is sometimes they have nurse. Those are registered nurse from Alberta Health, and they have some nurse that speak Russian or speak your language. Because sometimes your English is beautiful, but like sometimes when you feel like a stress because you are sick, that happened to me, right? When I feel sick, I cannot communicate in English because I have anxiety, right? So I prefer someone in Spanish that I can explain better what I feel, right? So the same, you can access to in English or in Russian as well, or Ukrainian. Okay, so you, especially when you have child, is good because for maybe the child have a fever, but you don't know what exactly I have to do. Call them, and they are gonna give you advice. Okay. So
Yes,
I also gonna send you some other website which is great for you to have it. For example, this one, My Alberta Health. You can create an account and you are gonna have access to all your medical records. So, for example, if you want to see your results, you can have access to this one. So you need to create an account and they will send you by email, they will send you a verification code. And once you verify your account, they are gonna post all your medical record there, your diagnosis, your medicines, your exams, the result of your exams, everything is gonna be there. Okay?
Okay.
Perfect. So this is related to health. If you have read the whole information, if you have any question, let me know. Is good?
Yeah, understand.
So far, so good. Okay. The other thing is Calgary Board Education. Basically, here in Calgary, we have different ways to find education. We have English classes, education, which is Calgary Board Education, not related with religion. We have the religion one that is Calgary Catholic Board of Education. If you want to register your children in a Catholic program, let's say in a Catholic school, you need to go for the Calgary Catholic Board of Education. Okay? And they are going to find the Catholic school close to your home. Also, you have private school, but you need to pay tuition for that or get a scholarship, right?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna start with Calgary Board Education. Basically, you need to contact them to this phone number here, and they will do an assessment to the 11 and 7 years old children. For the 1.5, is not yet the time for going to school, okay? Because it's a small baby.
Okay.
Calgary Board Education, you call this number and they are gonna give them an assessment to see what is his level, the level, English level, and also the education, and they are gonna place them in the closest school available, okay? Yeah. And they are gonna set up the transportation and everything, if there is available the service. They are gonna help you with that, okay?
Yeah.
Also, I'm gonna refer them to Calgary Youth Foundation. They have an Ukrainian program, okay? The name is Ukrainian Response, and they are gonna provide support to your children. And they can help you also with the Calgary Board Education as well. So they will call you. All the organization that say RR is because they are gonna contact you, okay? The one that don't say RR is because you need to contact them. For example, Calgary Board Education or Calgary Catholic Education, you need to contact them, okay?
Yeah.
The number is here. But children, Calgary Bridge Foundation for Youth, they will contact you, okay? And they have a program and they connect you and your children with the resources in the community, okay?
Okay.
So for the 1.5 year, I'm sending you to one program. The name is CAPSI. Let me see if I can find it here. This one, CAPSI. CAPSI, they will call you to book an appointment, and you need to be you and your wife in this appointment, okay? So basically, you are going to meet up with a counselor like me, but he's a specialist in small babies. And they are going to give you all the resources, all the link, all the help related with your 1.5 year baby. Okay? They can help you. So I'm going to suggest when they call you, book an appointment for you and for your wife. I mean, the same appointment and being with your wife for this appointment, okay? Because wife is because, you know, sometimes mothers know more about, a little bit more about babies, right? It's not like you don't know, but, you know, moms and baby are more like, so it's better for you to be both of them. This one could be in person or could be online as well, okay? This is for the 1.5. For the 11 and 7, the 11, 1 and 7, I send you to the Calgary Board Education and the Calgary Bridge Foundation for Youth, okay?
Yes, okay.
Let me see. Okay, Calgary Hub is for employment. basically, they are gonna have employment support. They are gonna help you how to do the resume, how to prepare for interview, where to find jobs related with your career, or they are gonna help you. They also have some programs. So as you see, they are and they will call you. However, if they don't call you in a couple of weeks, please contact them at this phone number and make an appointment with the employment counselor, okay?
Okay,
The other one is CCIS and Center for Newcomer as well. What is Center for Newcomer? Both. Center for Newcomer and CCIS. CCIS, they have some employment support. The name is, what is CCIS? What is this? Sorry, just give me one second because I scroll on.
Airport, I registered this organization. I saw this organization in airport, Calgary Catholic.
Exactly. They have programs for Ukrainian and they have also programs for employment. Contact them, okay? And also they can help you. They also can guide you how to apply for PR. So you need to contact them, okay? Contact them and say, I need help. I'm Ukrainian, I'm underqualified, and I need help for employment. I need help to help me with the PR card process. I need also to help me to support in the community. And they are gonna assign an officer to you, and they are gonna help you with different places. Even if you, for example, want to apply for a fair entry, all of these, they can help you as well, okay? So, the other one is Center for Newcomer. They have an employment counselor for Ukrainian, okay? Specific for Ukrainian program. So they will call you, they will call you. But if they don't call you, as I said, call them back. And this is the name of the program. It's here, Employment Service for Ukrainian.
Yeah,
and they will help you to find as well job, okay?
Yeah.
They also have a program for it's household goods. Basically, they can help you to find some stuff from your house, like table, like plates, like all of this, you know, like pans, like things for, different products for your home. Okay?
Yes.
So they can help you as well. The same, the Calgary Drop-In Center, they also have some the free good programs, and you can go and check, for example, as I said, clothing, plates, glasses, tables, everything for your home. Because why this is important? You need to save money. You don't need too much money until you find a job, right? You spend a lot of money, they can help you. Okay?
It's important.
Make sense?
Yeah.
So far, so good? Or if you want me to delete one of these, it's going to be fine. I can't delete it.
No, it's fine.
It's good. Okay, let's continue. Calgary Public Library, this is very good. If you have the card, you can have a different programs. Let me show you here. And they have for find job, they have for improve your English, they have for children as well. And they have resources in person, and they have also resources online. Okay, so all the resources are here. You see, there is a small kids. They have a lot of beautiful programs for them. They can go and play and learn how to count, like how to the ABC. You know, it's very good, beautiful program. So they have all the programs here, okay? And you can register using the card. Also for job, okay? And they have for newcomers, they have for teens, they have for toddlers. So they have for different programs. Also here, here in this website, you can register for a program, and you can see the list of program here. For example, this is for babies, okay? here, for example, for career job, let's put apply, and you have, for example, basic interview skills, career transitional, career basic 101, and those are free. You only need to see the location and the date. You see, this is online, and it's going to be Monday, April 8th from 2 to 2:30. You register here, and you can join this kind of program. You have, for example, interview skill. It's going to be in Central Library. It's going to be on Wednesday. Well, this is already passed, but you can check. If here, you can check if there is going to be another workshop. Okay? So
that's all in the
website.
library, right?
This all and the library, and these are all totally free. Also, they have some programs here. 1 second. Here you can get the library, the membership. If you don't have it, you can go to the library, or you can get it online as well. Both are the same, okay? For online, you click here and complete the form. Let me show you quickly. Complete this form, set up your PIN, and you are ready to borrow books, to join in all these programs, all of these, okay? Also, there is digital program that you can join for free. Also for kids, but as well for adults. There is two programs here that is Rosetta Stone and Pronunciator. Rosetta Stone is going to help you to improve your English. Okay, and it's free. And this program, if you want to get it outside the Calgary Public Library, you need to pay for that. But with the Calgary Public Library, it's going to be free. So how to access, clicking this. I put this link in the notes section. I'm going to show you. You click here, put your card number and your PIN, and then okay, and you can access to the program. Here in notes, I put Calgary put the information, sorry, notes. Here, I put the information, how to get the membership. And also Pronunciator and Rosetta Stone, which are the two programs that can help you with your English, okay? This is in the meantime, you are gonna take the test and be referred to English classes, okay? Let's continue here, sorry. Okay, Calgary Public Library, as you say, have a lot of information. Please get the membership, it's totally free. And you can have a lot of resources for your child, for your children. The teen one, the one in 11, they have programs as well. For the 7-year, they have programs. Check all the programs available and join the program because they are very good programs, okay? Okay, 1 second. Sorry, I'm recovering from a coughing. Yeah. And sometimes when for taxes, for Canada Revenue, I send you for taxes, but don't worry about taxes right now. You don't need to do taxes, okay? Because you enter in 2024. When you have to do taxes, it's gonna be next year in 2025. Because we are gonna do this, the taxes on 2024, the season taxes is for those people who are in Canada in 2023. So those people who are in Canada or live and work in Canada in 2024 is gonna taxes in 2025. Okay, but I'm gonna put you for 1 year because there are some free tax clinics that can help you at that moment. Okay, they can help you and you can do the taxes for free. And I want that you keep this information for next year, okay? The other one is CST. CST is a program from the government. Usually because you have child, you need to apply for the Canada Child Benefits. However, you need to wait 18 months in order to apply for Canada Child Benefits. So I'm gonna suggest to apply for GST first. How to apply for GST is in this website. This is GST. So you need to, oh my goodness. Yeah. You need to apply for this. How to apply is in this website. You can apply sending the information by mail, or you can apply creating an account. You can create an account here and then complete the form. Okay.
Yeah.
You have this form here because you have children, and then send it to them. And they are gonna tell you if you are eligible or not. Okay. And how
I
much they are gonna
already
give you, all of
applied
that.
on this program.
You already did it?
On GST, I already can apply this program.
Sorry, I didn't get it. You already applied.
No. Can I already apply of this program?
I gonna be honest. Double check with the person in CCIS, talk about this program, because I gonna double check, because the problem is if you are gonna apply for the GST, you can apply, but for child benefit, if you read, I mean, because you have child, you can apply for child benefit, and basically they request that you are here more than 18 months.
Oh.
Okay. So double check with the CCIS code client, because I think you can apply it for the GST.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Center for Newcomer is the other place. They are gonna call you, as I said, because they are RR, but this is the phone number, and if they don't call you, you need to contact them and complete talk about this program, the Employment Service for Ukrainian program. Okay.
Yeah.
Also, they have a program that support with household. I already mentioned that to you, right? So when you contact to Center for Newcomer, you mention I need employment, but I need other programs for Ukrainians that can help me because I don't have any job. Okay.
Yes.
Let's talk about Direction for Immigrants is a program. You need to contact them. They are no RR, and basically they can help you with job search, but also they have career coaching, and they can help you how to be system administrator here in Canada. And they can talk to you about programs, they can talk to you about training, short trainings, all of this, okay? You need to contact them.
Okay.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. For City of Calgary, I'm sending you for fair entry. Let me show you. Fair entry is a program that you can apply in the City of Calgary. For fair entry, you can do it. It's a income-based program, and you need to prove your income. And the way to prove your income is Alberta Health Benefit from Alberta Work, and this is the benefit. You know, remember that I told you. Sorry, there is a noise, and I cannot concentrate. Yeah, the Alberta Health Benefits is the letter that you are going to receive the application. Remember that you need to complete it and send it back. And when you receive the letter, you can apply for these programs. And this is a way to prove your income. The other program is a registered social worker letter. But I'm going to suggest do this one, because with a social worker letter, it's only $40 that you can pay for the transit. But with the Alberta Health Benefit, you're going to pay $5 for the transit.
Okay.
So apply as soon as you can for the Alberta Health Benefit, okay?
Yeah.
So you are gonna download this application here. Okay, let me show you quickly. You can apply for the transit monthly pass. Okay, you can apply for recreation assistance. They are gonna give you a card with your picture and your identification for all of you, not only for you, for all your family. And with you, every time that you go, for example, the zoo, or you go into the Telusas Park, or you go into any program, or you go into a leisure center, the admission is gonna be reduced, but it's gonna be very good. I mean, the deduction is gonna be very good. Okay, so it's good, especially because you have children and they can go to the pool, they can go to the gym, they can go to different programs. Also, you can with this card, you can register them to YMCA, and the YMCA is gonna be like 20 bucks. The admission for YMCA, the regular admission is 100 something. But if you pay 20 bucks, they can join YMCA, and they have a lot of programs for kids as well. So apply for this one. And the last benefit is the high speed and telephone plan in low income, to low income. So reduce. Okay, so you can apply for this one, but as I said, I suggest that you apply for the Alberta Health Benefits first, because if you get the social worker letter, it's gonna be like expensive. I mean, it's still reduced, but it's better to apply with the Alberta Health Services, Alberta Health Benefits, okay? So how to apply is download the application here, complete the application, put all the information about your family there, okay? And then with your work permit, with your card for Alberta Health Benefit and the form, you are gonna go to one of these two locations and apply for that. They are gonna give you a letter, and they are gonna set up an appointment for going and get the car, take the picture for the car, okay? And then you can join the benefit, and it's very good benefit. This benefit is for 1 year. The next year you need to apply again, okay? If you qualify, of course. Perfect. Okay. Government of Alberta, I sending you for Alice, and Alice is a very good website from Alice is a good website for knowing about career and also for employment. From this to this is employment. This one is for career. If you want to be like administrator, you put in search system administrator. And you can see here a different job posting, okay?
Okay.
Or you can, if you click in occupation, you can see here what exactly you need for system administrator. It is, for example, power system electrician or community network administrator or data administrator. You see there is different careers related with administrator. Let's say data administrator, for use an example. And they are gonna talk about occupation, what exactly they do here in Canada, the salary, all the certifications, everything. So you can check this website to see how can I be a system administrator in Canada, okay? This one and Direction for Immigrant can help you with that, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm referring you to Immigrant Services Calgary to do the test and be enrolled in the English classes to improve your English, okay? So they will call you to book the appointment, okay? I also give you some information to improve your English. Is here in Immigrant Services Calgary. There are some English resources, and also the workshop, okay, and how to rent a house. I will show you in a moment. This is CAPSI, this is volunteer. Why did it delete this one? Oh, I need to delete it. Okay, volunteer. Volunteering here in Canada is very important, sir. So it's gonna help you to create connection. It's gonna help you to, it's also counted as a Canadian experience, or can be counted as a Canadian experience. And also it's gonna help you with your English as well, to practice your English. Oh, one more time, your English is beautiful, but we need to practice and improve, always improve, right? Volunteer Connector is a place, it's a website, and you can find different organizations and different activities for volunteering. Let's check this one, just an example. You click in one of them, and you can see the whole information here for volunteering and what exactly they are asking for, how to apply, all the information is here. Volunteer Connector, you can see that say RR, but they are not called you. They only call you when you apply, okay? It's not like they called you. It's because you apply, and it's them when they are gonna call you, okay? Let me delete some of them that are like, and show you the, 1 second, my dear. Okay, here in this website, you are going to find more information about how to apply for the PR card, but you need to have a job first, and then be in the job for 1 year, and then is when you can apply for PR. CCIS, they have a program that can help you with that, and I already put you the program there, so you need to contact them, okay? For entry, I'm going to put 1 month because you need to wait until you get apply for the card, the Alberta Health Benefit. And volunteering, please do it as soon as you can. Start working as a volunteer. It's just a couple of hours per week, and it's going to be very helpful. Okay? Okay. I think I got it everything here, but I'm going to show you the note session. In the note session, there are 2 programs at the workshops. They are in our office, and they are totally free. One of the workshops is 14. The name is LinkedIn. LinkedIn and networking, which is great, and you need it in order to meet people, you know, and it's good to have. LinkedIn is a very good tool that people use here in Canada, okay, as a professional, I mean, for professionals. So these programs are free, and they can help you they are going to help you with your LinkedIn profile, and they are going to help you how to use it for professional matter, right? For create networking. So the link to register, you need to register, and basically the link is this one that I'm going to put here. 1 second. This is the link. The other program is Resume and Workplace Culture. So they are going to help you to improve your resume, okay, and work with your resume. And they also, how is the culture for work right here in Canada. So this is in March 21st from 4 to 6 p.m. It's totally free. It's in person in our office in downtown. Okay, so you need to only register. And in order to register, this is the link. Okay. So 2 workshops that please register to this workshop because they are very good. And also you're going to be in contact with the specialists for employment in our organization. Maybe they can help you or give you more information about where to find employment, especially because you have a very good English. Okay, so it's going to be easier for you to find a job. You don't need to, because some people, they have 0 English and it's difficult. They need to study English first, and then you can do both. Study English to improve your English, but also work, right? So, yes, perfect. In order to improve your English, I put some information here. This is some directory for ESL classes. You already are in the ESL classes, but there is more information here. Also, the information about Calgary Public Library. And in the Calgary Public Library, you have more information as well about conversation group, okay? Okay. This is this is for some resources for health. We already talked about that. This is some smart videos, which are very good because they talk about the life in Canada, different topics, and they are but the resources are in this website. So I'm going to show you both quickly. So because the videos are not available here anymore, we transfer all the video to the website. You can find here, for example, in English, you can find how to find a job, what is your right for in Alberta as a worker, how to start a small business, childcare benefits, for example, or childcare programs, resources for English, how to rent a home. Read the information, and the good thing about that is they have a website, which is this one, to get more and more resources. Check all those resources because they are very good. We work with other organizations in order to create these two websites. Okay. Yeah. the information is here. I put in more information about affordable food. Okay. I'm gonna delete this one because they are. You have the fresh fruit. They are. You can buy a healthy and affordable fruit and vegetable and some other groceries. And this is the calendar. They are around the city. And for example, if you go to tomorrow, they are going to be in Bow Valley College from 11 to 1 in the second floor on the South Campus. And you can buy these foods and these, affordable, a lower price, which is great, right? You also have the food bank. The food bank, in the case you need it, you can apply for that. The Alex is also programs, and they can help you with dental, but for the small kids, and also they have some food for food. They can help you with food. And here there are some other organizations that can help you with affordable food as well. Okay.
Yeah.
So here you're going to find more information about Fair Entry. Employment, I also going to send you this place, Mustard Seed, and it's very good they have employment coaching as well. And this lady can help you as well for employment. And the last thing is I'm going to put here some resources for Ukrainian. You can check these resources, some websites that can help you. For example, how to enroll the kids in a school, how to find a job, the support in the health care. So I know most of them you already have it, but it's good to have the information there, okay? So extra one, I'm gonna put here the Alberta 211, which is you have the Alberta 211, and you can find different programs here. How to help. For example, they have the line for the Ukrainian, okay? So I'm gonna put this one here. And you have the Ukrainian help. Sorry. If you need it, please use it because they can help you to anything. If you need housing, if you need any food, if you need anything, they can help you. You just need to chat with them, and they can connect you to different organizations. You mentioned that you go to the you go also to the you are attending in the San Vladimir Church, right?
Yeah, in Sunday.
Okay. In Sunday. Okay, perfect. Yeah, they also have a lot of resources as well, which is great, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. So far, any question? Hello?
No, thank you. That's all. A lot of information I need to search.
Yes, exactly. I know it's too much. Wait, just give me 1 second. I'm gonna put this one here as well. Okay, so I'm gonna send you this document. So far, so good. Any question? Anything that we haven't covered? Is everything that you don't know, or especially for for this document?
Okay, I see it.
Is good?
Yeah. Perfect.
Okay, let me show you the document that you are gonna receive quickly here. I'm gonna send you 2 emails, one with this document, and the other one is gonna be with a link to evaluate this session, okay? So this document, sorry, it's taking time. This is the one that you are gonna receive, okay? You can see here, Calgary Board Education. I'm gonna send you another one with a better view as well. I'm gonna send you 2, this one and the other one. You can see your name here, what we talk about your dreams, your goal, and your priorities. And this is the place, what exactly is looking for. For example, this is for your child from 1.5 years, and they are gonna be CAPC, right? This is the program. and the contact information is here, and so on, right? So the websites and everything is this side. Remember, everything that say RR is because they will call you. If they don't say RR, is because you need to contact them, okay? Except for Immigrant Services Calgary. For Immigrant Services Calgary, they will call you, okay? At the end, you are gonna find all our notes, the notes that I already, and the link. So use these two links to register to these programs, the LinkedIn and the resume. Register because they are very good. And also the link for English classes, for health. So the one that we talked about before. Okay?
Yes.
Right now, I will send you also another email with the link for evaluation, to evaluate this program. I will send you a document with some links for renting, so you can have this document in the future if you want to move from the, for example, when you get a job, you can use this link to find an apartment or to find a place, okay?
Okay, thank you so much.
Okay, if you have any question, please send me an email and I will be glad to help you. Don't call me because sometimes I'm with the client and I cannot receive the call at the moment, but if you send me an email, I'm gonna be glad to get back to you, okay?
Yeah, sure, I understand.
Excellent, perfect. Thank you so much, Volodymyr, yeah, for being here, and it was a pleasure to work with you today.
Thank you so much. You helped me a lot.
That's
Have
great.
a good day.
Good to hear that. Have a wonderful day. See you.
Thank you. Bye.